Hello guys, this is Dozia and you are welcome to my channel. So in today's video we will be talking about delinking, how to delink your browser from the NIMC self-service portal so that you'll be able to probably log in on another device or even on the same device and perform your operation. So I'll be taking you through the step-by-step tutorial and live video. Now I will log into my account here because I already have an account. So just to show you what we are talking about. So now here is my own personal account, and as you can see it won't log in because I've already accessed it on my other browser, which is my system. So I've already accessed it here, but just for the sake of this tutorial I'm trying to show you the whole process of how everything is going to look like, how it is, so that you can get the idea of what we are talking about if you are in the same. Okay, and as you can see, this is what you are talking about. As you can see, this is the error message: your device or browser is not authorized for login. Please log in using the device you first used to access your accounts or contact NIMC for support. Now this is the issue. So it doesn't matter whether you have already even changed device or not. Even if you have never changed your device, probably you just access this website and mistakenly clear your browsing history or your cache. So you might get this error message, but you don't have to fear, okay? Because there is always, for every problem, there's always a solution. And even though NIMC stopped these services in the past, so they have resumed it back again, which is why I'm making this video now. If you have got this error message, you don't have to panic. This is what you have to do. As you can see, this tutorial works, which is why I'm trying to show you the evidence that it works. As you can see, this is a confirmation message that I got after trying to delink the NIN. So now watch this video to the end to know the whole process of how you are going to go about it. Now you come to your email address, the actual email address that you use on the self-service. So is the email address you are going to log into to send this message. After getting to the email address, this is your email address. So from the top you are going to enter this particular address, so which is this address. You can see NIMC customer care at nimc.gov.ng. So that's the address you are going to enter. You are going to be sending the message to. So under this subject, you can either write delinking or self-service delinking. So either of the two. Then let me write delinking. So under this image, you have to supply your NIN number, here, then follow by the email address that is linked to the account. So let me just use my email address again. So your NIN number and your email address. So this is how you are going to title your message to this particular address. As you can see, this address right here. So once you do it, you are going to send the message. Once you send it, so you will receive a confirmation message, which is status report, which I shown in the video that they have got your message and they are attending to it. So you might even get multiple prompts because the email is automated. So you might get multiple prompts that they are attending to your email address, that you should wait. Then you will also get maybe follow-up email that your delinking has been assigned to so person in charge. So that one might go on for like 2 to 3 days depending. So you just have to keep checking, because you won't get a confirmation message that your email are actually being successfully delinked. You won't get it. Before, they used to send confirmation mail when they delink your email successfully, but now they don't send it again. So as you are getting the status reports that they have probably assigned your delinking case to so person in charge, you just wait. Probably after 24 to 48 hours, then you check back again on your portal. You try to log in. When you try to log in with your email address and the password, if it bring out the error, it means they are still working on it. So you will resend the message again, because because you are not the only one that is actually sending message. So they might just assign it whereby they won't work on it. So you will send the message again. Of course, you are still going to get the status report issue that your issue has been submitted, they are working on it, and so on. Till sometimes it might take a week, it might take up to a week, sometimes 3 days, sometimes up to 2 weeks before you finally get it delinked from your old browser. Then you now log in again on probably on the new phone or on the same phone, and you'll be able to do what you want to do. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment and share. See you in my next video. Peace out.